I am from the Trinity of rap. When I rhyme, you get the Holy Ghost. The gentleman is back. No need for a gangster, yeah, it's feminine to rap. These niggas sweet in the cinnamon, no venoms in they rap. Me, I'm like Kobe and Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm a Jedi with work ethic. I'm thinking that they know me. These young niggas too dumb. Old niggas too mad. Ride a nigga wave up, makes you a do-rag. Did a bunch of gangster shit, wasn't in the gang. What I call 12 MCs, a dozen niggas to flame, yeah. 24 bars, kill 2 dozen. Out of the loop when I'm back, what would you do, cousin? The answer is not a fucking thing. Sometimes you gotta tell upon you not a fucking king. You just a piece on a board that is getting moved. You ain't a boss if you work, gotta get approved. I stay cool, I'm too familiar with getting sued. Paid a whole lot nowadays, I'm just flipping dudes. Couple niggas rich, couple niggas is poor, but most of these niggas pussy. You give it to them raw. They say pause online, but never in person, cause I'm the type of nigga that'll punch him in the jaw. But I don't need a war, cause I am too mature. If I do, I'm like Frank White, kicking in the door. I don't need a 4-4 though, cause I don't need a cage. I'm the type to shadow box, shadow got a blade. You the type to shadow box and fucking run away. What you know about a fade? Nothing except a haircut, my hawk talk. Don't be the one, I gotta tear up. Ghost in the machine, nigga, way before AI. Cross him over, get to the bucket, like AI. See the king, get to the throne, go may I. Yeah, Ghost, you can have the chair. Thank you, my nigga, so you can have some air. If not, it's your oxygen. I'm an LOX monster, but I ain't in the lake. I'm the hardest to ever do it. That is no debate. Yeah, couple niggas good, but not many you're great. Porch monkey, never wanna tangle with an ape. If they do, I'ma burn them up, just like an eighth. Couple niggas I smoke, couple niggas I vape. Yeah, the ghost back. Nigga, you fucking with a grape.